Hola amigos! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into 15 essential Spanish phrases that will make your hotel stay a breeze, whether you're traveling for business or pleasure. These phrases will help you navigate any situation at the hotel. Vamos, let's get started. Tengo una reserva en nombre de Jesse. I have a reservation under the name Jesse. It's a straightforward way to let the receptionist know you're ready to check in. ¿Dónde está mi llave de habitación? Where is my room key? This will help you quickly locate your key if you haven't received it yet. ¿Puedo tener una almohada koala extra? Por favor. Can I have an extra pillow towel, please? This will ensure you're comfortable during your stay. Tengo un problema con mi habitación. I have a problem with my room. The hotel staff will understand that you need assistance. ¿A qué hora se serve el desayuno? What time is breakfast served? This will help you plan your morning. ¿Cuál es la hora de salida? What is the checkout time? Essential for planning your departure. ¿Cómo llego a mi habitación? How do I get to my room? Helpful for large hotels or unfamiliar layouts. ¿Puedo hacer en check-in, check-out tarde? Can I check in, check out late? It's good to ask in advance. ¿Qué servicios ofrece el hotel? What services does the hotel offer? Useful for knowing what's available to you. ¿Cómo puedo conectarme al Wi-Fi? How can I connect to the Wi-Fi? Essential for staying connected. ¿Dónde está el gimnasio? La piscina. Where is the gym, the pool? Ideal for keeping up with your fitness routine. ¿Puedo extender mi estancia? Can I extend my stay? Helpful if you decide to stay a bit longer. And that's a wrap. Remember, these phrases will help you navigate your hotel stay like a pro. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell for more travel tips.